Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will see how to download and install Oracle 11G. In order to download Oracle software, you have to go to oracle.com. Open your browser and type oracle.com and hit enter. After going to oracle.com, find Oracle database from here. Click on Oracle database. Click on download Oracle database here. Find the appropriate version of Oracle database for your system. If you have 32-bit operating system, download these two files. If you have 64-bit operating system, download these two files. As I have downloaded all these files before, no need to download it again. After downloading these two files, extract database 1 of 2 and name as database 1. Extract database 2 of 2 and name that file as database 2. Open database 2 here, go to stage, go to components and copy all these files. Copy and now go back to database 1 and come to stage folder, then components folder and paste them here. After successfully pasting the files, come to database 1 here. Right click on setup and run as administrator. So the Oracle 11G installation wizard will be shown here. The notification is about that the environment doesn't meet the minimum requirement. Ignore and say yes. If you want to get any updates from Oracle database, enter your email here. If you don't want any updates from Oracle database, ignore them and click next. You have not provided an email address. It's just a notification that you have not entered this email address. Ignore that and say yes. So here you will see three different types of installation. Create and configure database. We want to install the first one. Say next. Select the desktop class and say next. Oracle base, software location and database file location are here. We want to leave them as default. We want enterprise editions, database edition. Which edition we want? We want the enterprise edition. Character set, leave as default. Global database name is Oracle. So you need to enter the password for them here. And confirm the password here. And say next. The admin password enter does not confirm to the Oracle recommended standard. So your password is not on Oracle standard. Ignore the message and say yes. Now click on finish installation. So here the installation will take some time. We will forward the video and come back.
So here we reach to the final stage of installation. Click on password management. So as you can see, all different users are locked by default. We are going to unlock some user here. For example, HR, and enter the password here and confirm the password. For example, here we want to unlock this squat user. Click, uncheck this box and enter your password. And click OK. Notification saying that password is not on Oracle standard. Click and yes, and now click on OK. So as you can see here, the installation is done successfully. The installation of Oracle database was successful. Now close this window. In order to open Oracle, find SQL Plus here. So here they will ask the user. We have unlocked two different users for us. One was HR and the second one was Scott. HR and the password which we have given there as HR. So we want to enter that password and click enter. So you are logged in successfully to your Oracle database. So now we will try the different user, the Scott user, and enter the Scott user and type the password, and you are successfully logged into that Scott user as well. So this is the end of this tutorial, and we will see different other concept of Oracle database in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.